okie dokie. I think everything's working fine. I'm not entirely sure. Fancy new container. It's not that fancy. Anyway, I've forgotten to mix it up before I even started. Yeah, I think I said in a previous video, I'm pretty sure I did, that I wanted to get some clear containers so you could see things happening better. Although now that there's that fluorescent light there, there we go. That is just all my oils and my goat's milk. I'm now going to add the lye. Okay, perfect. Now, I have this mould sitting here with a little crosspiece in it. This is the bottom piece out of my Perspex mould. Jesus Christ, words. Who needs them? That I don't use, but I didn't want to cut it up for anything because maybe I'll use it, I don't know. I'm a hoarder apparently. Not even apparently, I actually don't like throwing things away just in case. Anyway, and I thought, well, it'd be a great divider, but it doesn't fit. And then I thought, oh, and then sure enough, it fit in there. So I was thinking, I just got 2 jugs, so I'm doing white lily and persimmon, so I thought orange in one side, white in the other. Stop doing that, swap them over, and then do that. So they're kind of like, they might have a little bit of a drop swirl thing happen, and maybe, who knows. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm also going to need that. So yeah, so let's get this mixed up. Oh, these containers aren't quite as high as I thought. They're not bad though. Let me give it a whiz and see what happens. Actually, let's move these out of the way so that I can come over there with no light. Alright, let's give this a bit of a wipe down. Oh, that's a little hard to do in a square with angled corners. I'm not even sure. I mean, it's just an odd shape, really. But they were the only containers that I could find in Kmart that were even remotely any good. So yeah, so these will have to do. Now, white lily and persimmon rices, I know that, so I'm not particularly worried about how mixed this is at this point. It's emulsified, which is enough. But yeah. So yes, I'm going to pour this off now. I don't know where my thing is to sit. My spatula's on. My thing is, I don't know. Spatula holder, spoon holder, I'm not sure what it is. One of those probably a spoon holder. Oh, I thought these would be big enough. Fantastic. And they're going to be really easy to pour too, because they're the same. Alright. Let's scrape the bowl, as we often do in German. Oh my god, speaking of German, have you guys watched Jojo Rabbit yet? That is such a good movie. I was just, like, I don't like any wartime movies or anything like that, but I love Taika Waititi very much. I think he's just got the best sense of humour. And then when I found out that he was actually playing Hitler, I thought, I have to watch this because this is just going to be something else. And it really is. It's just, it's a comedy, but it's not a comedy. Like, it's funny, it's super dry in places, but it's also there's a message in there, you know, and there's like, it's just, I would highly recommend it. So, and you know, coming from someone who doesn't like war movies at all, I've got to tell you though, Harley Quinn, no, not a fan of that at all. I'm also not a fan of Harley Quinn though, so I imagine that plays into it a lot, but I don't understand Harley Quinn. I don't understand how someone who is this strong, mentally adept female, it doesn't matter what sex she is, but you know, I mean, she's smart, because she becomes a psychologist or a psychiatrist, I don't know which. So, you know, she's not stupid, could then turn into what she does because of the Joker. I don't know how anyone can let someone else do that. To me, all that is weakness. So, I'm not mixing that. I'm going to put the fragrance in there first, because that has to be mixed with fragrance in it. But yeah, so for me, I look at Harley Quinn and I just see weakness. So I guess that's probably why I don't like it, because I'm not a fan of weak people. They just make me cranky. Fragrance is over there. Alright, I'm going to have to measure them over there, so I'll be back. Oh my god, this smells so good! Oh, I don't know, I haven't met anyone who doesn't like it yet. I get everybody to smell it at markets. There you go, no ricing because I used the stick blender straight away. Which you can see on the top there how that looks. That's how you can tell. Now don't mind if this goes a little bit thick. Because I don't particularly want it to run underneath the divider anyway. So, oh my god, look at that. It looks good, it smells good. Oh, it's just like beautiful. And this is my first soap back in the garage, so I'm really happy this is working so far. I might actually take these out just so... No, it's all good. Just had a stress there for a second. I don't want to wreck anything here, so we're going to take these out so I don't have to hold on to them. I mean, look, if the worst comes to worst, I'm just going to put the colours in either side and be done with it. So, can you see? Yes, you can. Oh, Mozzie! I hate Mozzies so much. Wait! Wait! Oh my god! Making a mess here, peeps. Seriously? How does someone do this? Oh, paper towels are like 4 million miles away. That's pretty even though. Doesn't want to go down in that corner. Alright, so I wonder if I just start pouring in here without pouring in there, what will happen? That's thickened up considerably. What I'll do is I'm left-handed, so it's just easier if I do everything on the left-hand side. I don't know what this is going to look like. It definitely doesn't want to go down. It will, whoops, it will though, because I'm going to actually take this out, so. Alright, so swap those around and then go back over to this side. Oh, that's thick as now. Thick as, bruh. So that's okay, because that'll have like a non-coloured layer on the top. Quite like that idea. I like that idea a lot, actually. So get that in there. Fill this all the way up, Actually, what I might do is I might do this colour first, because this seems to actually be thicker than the white. So, I know, it's weird, sometimes titanium dioxide plays up, sometimes micas play up. You just never know, really. You really never know. Also, now that I've done that, how the hell do I grip that to get it out? Oh, what? I think I have left my thinking cap in the house. Holy shit, righto. Right, oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, okay. Now, you can just sit in there for a minute. It wasn't even too bad, actually. How's it going on the camera? I've got the, oh, sorry. The camera's not, oh, yuck. The camera's not quite leaning on the bench, so. I'm not sure how to do this. I know what I want to do on the top. But I don't know if I can do it, so we'll have to have a look and see if I can do what I want to do. Just gonna try and get this roughly the right height. It's not really working, but alright, I've still got a bit of white left in here. Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks once that divider's out. Maybe I should have just pulled it, sorry, maybe I should have just pulled it up to like have it sit up about, you know, this high up, and then I could have put the rest in. It would have been a lovely straight line. Oh, I'll know that for next time. We'll see how this goes, and I might do it again. Something a bit different though, hey? I've been whinging that I don't do anything different, even though it was just like a drop swirl in dividers. It actually was just a drop swirl in dividers. Fine, whatever. I'm the queen of drop swirls, alright? I like them. I like them a lot. I just think they look fabulous. And why wouldn't you want your soap to look fabulous? Huh? Wait. Because fabulous soap is fabulous. That's a little darker than I wanted, that Tangelo, but it may just come back. Where's the cupboard? I'm just going to go over here and slam this down. Okay. Now, no, I don't really need to do this right now, but it's bothering me, so. Wait, no. I don't know why I'm caring. Okay, so what I was thinking, but I think it's too thick now, was if I pull a chopstick across that way. Here, look, I've got my nice little acetate thingies. It's too thick. I mean, it doesn't suck, but it's just more now textured than... Hang on, I'll go over here and bang it down again. Oh. I mean, seriously, it doesn't look that bad. It's just different. Alright, I feel like it needs a little bit of glitter, just a little bit of zhuzh. Just a bit of zhuzh. Oh, I've got shit everywhere. Wow. Messy first soap back. Of course it was. Alright, oh, glitters. Alright, I'll be back. I think we'll put some Adore on this one. Oh, they all actually have lids on them. That's a change. There we go. Oh, that's better. That's better. And I bought my phone so we can have a photo. Prettier up for Instagram. Alright, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the soap that's left on that. Who knows? There you go. That is... Geez, that light's terrible, isn't it? There you go. White Lily and Persimmons. Alright. Bye. That's the soap waving goodbye. Bye. Hello. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, so there's lots of light coming in from that direction, and this light above me is just having a fit. I haven't opened this because I thought we would open it together. Yeah, the lights, I can hear it's tick tick ticking above my head. It's gonna explode. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Obviously there's some stuff in the bottom of the mould, but Jesus Christ. How was that? That's like, oh. Obviously you're not going to see that when you cut it, but still. This is kind of awkward. Put that all the way back there. There we go. The light's going to explode, blow my head off. I just know it is. I'm such an idiot. Okay, so what I'm hoping is going to happen is this orange will get more and more gradual. We'll see what happens. More and more gradual. That made no sense, did it? Look, I haven't been asleep for a really long time, so shut the fuck up. I'm even swearing, and it's doing exactly what I thought it would do. So this is like super cool. Look at this! I'm so doing this again. Maybe with something that'll be a little bit more fluid though. What do you reckon? This side's pretty cool though. I like it. What's this? There's shit all over the bench. I'm tired, guys. This is the problem with sleeping tablets. Is Thursday night I took a sleeping tablet because I couldn't sleep, and then ended up had like 8 hours good solid sleep, right? Which is great. So last night I couldn't sleep at all because I just wasn't tired. So here it is, 8 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't slept, and it's just like 24 hours, something, I don't know, a long time. It's just frustrating because I'm tired enough to go to bed now, and it's 8 o'clock in the friggin' morning, so it's just, I don't know, it's friggin' annoying. Can't believe how straight that line is, it's mental. I just can't seem to get it right, like, you know. I need to be able to, there needs to be something I could take every night. There you go, there's a difference in the end pieces, look at that. Let's get a little bit of white, let's get a little bit of orange. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, I need to be able to take something every night so that I can just sleep every night. That would just be great. Really, really great. I'd like that very much because I'm sick of not sleeping. I'm sick of having to rely on pills. I'm sick of just my brain not shutting up. That's what I'm sick of. And this I'm going to have to really amp up the sound on this one, I imagine, because for some reason I'm talking really quietly. Alright, that's it. Bye.